Are you always in a rush in the mornings and struggle to have a healthy breakfast? We've all been there, right? Those frantic mornings when the alarm snoozes one time too many and suddenly, breakfast becomes an afterthought. But what if we told you it doesn't have to be that way? Today, we're diving into quick and healthy breakfast ideas for those busy mornings when time is not on your side. So, stay tuned for some quick, easy, and nutritious breakfast ideas that you can whip up in no time. First up, we have the time-saving overnight oats. This breakfast wonder requires just a handful of ingredients: oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits. Start by grabbing a jar. Pour in equal parts of oats and your choice of milk. Stir in a dollop of yogurt for creaminess. Sprinkle in some chia seeds for a nutritional punch. Now top it off with your preferred fruits. Pop the lid on and let it sit in the fridge overnight. As you catch your 40 winks, the oats absorb the milk, transforming into a soft, creamy delight. Come morning, your breakfast is ready to go. Just give it a good stir, and voila! Not only is this recipe a time saver, but it's also loaded with nutrients. Oats are a great source of fiber and can help lower cholesterol. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, and fruits bring in essential vitamins. So there you have it, overnight oats, a breakfast that works while you rest. Next, let's blend up a banana and spinach smoothie. Now this is a delightful mix that's not only tasty, but packed with nutrients to supercharge your morning. To whip up this green goodness, you'll need some ripe bananas for that natural sweetness, a handful of spinach for a dose of iron and vitamins, almond milk for a creamy base, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you satiated until lunch. Making this smoothie is as easy as pie. Simply toss all your ingredients into a blender and blitz until smooth. If you like your smoothies a bit on the thicker side, feel free to add a few ice cubes before blending. This smoothie offers a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to nourish your body and keep your energy levels high. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, you've got a nutrient-packed smoothie to start your day right. Last but not least, let's prepare an avocado toast with egg. A simple yet incredibly satisfying meal that's just as nutritious as it is delicious. To start, you'll need a few key ingredients. Grab a slice of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, 1 or 2 eggs, depending on your preference, and some salt and pepper to taste. You may also want to have some optional toppings on hand, like cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or chia seeds, to add a bit of extra flavor and crunch. Now let's get to the fun part. Start by toasting your bread to a nice golden brown. While that's toasting, have your avocado and scoop out the creamy green flesh. Mash it up and season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once your toast is ready, slather on that delicious avocado spread. Next, it's time to cook your egg. Whether you like it sunny side up, scrambled, or poached, it's entirely up to you. Once it's done, place it atop your avocado toast. And there you have it, avocado toast with egg, a breakfast that's not only quick to prepare, but also packed with healthy fats from the avocado and protein from the egg. It's a meal that will keep you full and energized until lunchtime. And just like that, you've got a delicious and healthy breakfast that's ready in no time. And there you have it, 3 quick and healthy breakfast ideas for those busy mornings. We've explored the simplicity and versatility of overnight oats, the refreshing vibrancy of a banana and spinach smoothie, and the hearty satisfaction of avocado toast with egg. Each recipe is not only quick to prepare, but also loaded with the vital nutrients you need to kickstart your day. The importance of a healthy breakfast cannot be overstated. It sets your energy levels, stabilizes your blood sugar, and keeps you satiated until lunch. These recipes are more than just meals. They are a health-giving, time-saving solution for your morning routine. Feel free to experiment with these recipes. Try adding your favorite fruits, seeds, or spices. Make them your own. After all, breakfast should be as unique and delightful as you are. Remember, a good day starts with a good breakfast. So make these recipes your morning allies and enjoy a nutritious start to your day, every day.